the start of the Transat Yacht, a transatlantic yacht race open to 4 different classes of ocean racing yacht. Sail power is an ancient form of propulsion, but modern yachts using cutting-edge materials and technology deliver speeds and performance far in excess of anything achievable in the days of traditional sailing ships. The Yacht pays homage to the days of sail by following the same route used by the coffee ships plying the Atlantic between France and Brazil. The most ambitious deep-water event is the Volvo Ocean Race. Held every 3 years, the competition sees participants circumnavigate the globe. All yachts belong to a special class, the Open 70, that is pushing the limits of boat design. These yachts carry a huge sail area. To allow them to support a tall mast and prevent excessive heeling, they are equipped with a slender yet heavy bulb keel. In addition, the keel can be moved away from the vertical toward the boat's windward side to minimise the angle of heel. Modern hulls are wide with flat bottoms to reduce drag. In extreme conditions, these boats can reach speeds of 35 knots. The yachts competing in the Yacht are built to different specifications. Rules stipulate that boats should carry a crew of just 2. So these ocean racing craft are configured to be handled by just one person while the other sleeps. The course is more than 6,000 kilometres long, and sailing time is around 14 days. Innovations in sail technology and lightweight carbon fibre materials are enabling yacht design to advance at a rapid pace.